Good morning, top of the morning, back at it again. Another tape viewing session, review of the movement in the Nasdaq yesterday, and we're looking at the CFD from Black Bull. Interesting price movement yesterday. So, yesterday was Wednesday, right? Yeah, Wednesday. So Wednesday. Just put that over there. Alt V, True Open. So we opened up yesterday, consolidated. See 8 p.m. Right, so we just consolidated yesterday. Consolidated all the way from 8 to midnight for Asian. Consolidated for the most part during the London kill zone. Just put that like so. And then we saw price just shoot up, just shoot up there. It's a nice off the 5 minute, would have been a nice entry. Let's put a fair value gap over there just to annotate it. Okay, so the accumulation, then at from 3:30 the move began, where it shot up. So let's just see this downswing that happened just before the spring up. Let's see like if we could anchor a projection fib onto that. How far could price possibly push up to? This was during the London session yesterday. So let me just mark out the London session open kill zone. And then this was silver bullet time. Silver bullet time. Not much heat on the trade. That's just seven points here. Then I put it on the bottom and then pull it up to the top there. It got up to the 0.4 level standard deviation. At the 2 and 2.5 we saw some consolidation or some more accumulation there, and then we proceeded to shoot up. London session ended there. No, it didn't. What am I saying? Alt V. Alright, so let's just quickly talk about London. Tuesday, Asian session, consolidation, Asian range. I personally draw it from 8 until midnight. So then we look at the liquidity on both sides. Let me be strict with it actually, because this, see now, just use that body. The bodies tell the story, the wicks do the damage. Just zoom in a bit more on this. Okay, so we have our bodies in check. So now you can see there. Probably if I had this box drawn better yesterday, then I would have been able to anticipate this or even spot it. If let's say I enclose that fully like so, then this would have been giving the first clear signs that there's a reversal that's about to come through, and then I would have been active. In my defense, I was actually looking at that GBP, and it's funny because I was getting spanked. I was getting spanked in it, but I had a conviction, or I was steadfast in that particular trade I had for the GBP, so I just wanted to give it my full attention. But you know, hindsight is a very good teacher, and that's where we are now. So we have this move here from London that could have paid out very handsomely. Nah, not podcast. Whoopsie. Let me just move this thing, man, cause put the fib. I'm gonna anchor it there from that low to that high over there. Probably don't know what I'm talking about, but I'm referring to this, the low to the high there. That move. Have that there. To this level over there. Was that like, is there anything there though? Is it like fully empty? Let me just see. Interesting. So happens to be by that high. Let me just put that over there. So as you can see what that is, that's when did we make that high? That was Wednesday. So Wednesday, last week, this is the previous week's high. The previous week's high. And then we had a swing. Where were we here? Okay. Looking at it, we were consolidating just under. Can you say like a double top? Consolidating just under there. Let me just see if, because I didn't buy the Nasdaq package or the data from the CME, as you can see there. But are we? Okay, we have the stuff here. Let's just annotate this one. You know, let's just annotate this one. Let's annotate this one. The move yesterday, right? From that consolidation there, coming back down to clear out that. So this is a full market maker. A full-on market maker buy and sell model, from the buy side of the curve all the way to the sell side of the curve, right here. I was gonna pause it, but nah, it's gonna be a big video. Big video. Massive video. Massive video. If you stick around, you're gonna learn something. I'm gonna start off by yesterday was Wednesday, right? Yeah, yesterday was Wednesday. Let's start off with the true open for Wednesday. True open, there we go. Looking at the Nasdaq E-mini futures chart. True open. Just gonna, that's consolidation there. Okay, from 8 up until midnight, I'm just gonna have that boxed in. Accumulation over there. Then you saw there, we took out the sell side liquidity of this consolidation. Price then spooled up, breaking structure over there. There was then a fair value gap here. Let me just put that so that we know. Okay, these ones will be the bullish ones that we purchased. That's just the accumulation there. Perhaps I should mark or write that down. Okay, accumulation. Accumulate some more, accumulate some more. That's our manipulation. So this is definitely a nice market maker buy model. We return back to the original consolidation, which also lines up with that fair value gap. Before that, let's just go to the 4H. Gonna delete y'all. Okay, we were here accumulating at the time. Let's just nothing's there. Okay, we're just there accumulating. Had this high. Loki looks crisp on the M15, no lie. First stage accumulation, second stage distribute, first stage redistribution, second stage redistribution, and then claim stops under that original consolidation. Buy side of the curve, then the sell side of the curve. The ICT market maker model. Man, like it cost me $400 to get this lesson, like to find this, because I was in another position. I tried to take the same approach on the pound, but then it didn't pan out. It is what it is. Let's go to the 5 minute. So 5 minute, here we are, accumulation, manipulation over there. Let me why manipulation? Because we're taking out these stops there, shoot up, come back into this 5 minute fair value gap, accumulate some more, It's also returned back to the original consolidation stage up, went up there again, accumulated, shot up, then we attacked that. That would have been 85 points. Let me just hit a swing projection right now using this down move before it shot up. So I'll anchor it down by the low, then move it back up there. So if we're measuring using this downswing, it projects us around about there, and it knocks it beautifully. About 70 points. Obviously there's a high there. Look to take the high, you know. If I'm measuring using that to that, then it gives me that level. But the whole time, that PD array there, that level, that was the target. M1. So now see on the M1, just lock that in place. Took out that liquidity there, you see. Accumulate, took that out, then it started heading all the way up. All the way up. Three-minute chart. Let me just go back to the 5. So this is the buy side of the curve. That's the sell side of the curve. On the sell side, everything that was acting as support should now give resistance. So smart money reversal, break of structure, first stage redistribution. Also yesterday's silver bullet. That was a breakaway gap. Usually we'd be looking for price to come back here. If we're waiting for price to come back there, would have missed it yesterday. It doesn't also come back up to the midpoint. It just shows you how heavy it was and eager it was to run back and claim the stops underneath that consolidation there. The second stage redistribution was there. Let me just make it bearish, which is easier. If I'm correct, it should consolidate again and then form. So that's what I'm looking to follow today. We'll see, but I see it. I most definitely see it. most definitely see it. Order block there. That's the second stage, redistribution. Reaccumulation. So order block. First stage. Second stage. Smart money reversal there. Can see that balanced price range. Trapping traders over there. Trapped longs. He literally spoke on this in the market maker video. But it's nice now. I see it. Yeah. More updates to follow. Thanks for watching, and talk to you soon.